This is Takht-e-Sulaiman, Pakistan's most perilous mountain, situated on the border of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan. The journey to its summit is so treacherous that one cannot be certain of returning alive. I began my expedition from Dera Ismail Khan, traveling to Ragsar village. From there, we took a local vehicle to a nearby bazaar, where we procured food and supplies. After continuing a short distance further by vehicle, we disembarked and commenced our trek on foot. The initial trail was rocky and presented its own challenges, though it was not excessively steep. After several hours of hiking, we were warmly invited to a local home, where we thoroughly enjoyed traditional tea and lassi, a refreshing yogurt-based drink. Refreshed, we resumed our journey and soon encountered the first significant obstacle, a steep ascent known as Tablak. This section was fraught with the risk of falling, but fortunately, we navigated it safely. After a few more hours of trekking, we reached a place called Ponga, where we spent the night. The following morning, after offering prayers, we set out again, facing relentless ascents. As we progressed, we crossed into Balochistan, a region renowned for hosting the world's largest forest of Chilgoza pine trees. Water was scarce here, compelling us to collect and drink dirty rainwater to sustain ourselves. The trail then led us to an exceedingly dangerous spot, where the path narrowed to a mere foothold, just enough space for 1 foot at a time. A single misstep could have resulted in a fatal plunge into the abyss below. By the grace of God, we crossed this section without incident. Finally, we reached the summit of Takht-e-Sulaiman. There, we brewed Sulaimani chai, a traditional tea, and immersed ourselves in the breathtaking beauty of the landscape. From the top, the mountain offered a surreal vista, as though we were standing at the very edge of the world.